In this video, we'll be learning how to create an Azure AD B2C tenant to secure a .NET Core web application. From the Azure homepage, select Create the resource, search for B2C, and then select Azure Active Directory B2C. Click Create, and then create your new tenant. Enter a unique name, and then add your domain name. Select your location. Please note your location cannot be changed once the tenant has been created. Enter or select your resource group and click Review and Create. Click Create and wait a few moments while Azure goes through the tenant creation process. Once created, navigate to your new directory. To configure your new tenant in the future, go to your home page, select B2C Tenants, select your directory, and then click on Open B2C Tenant. You can easily switch between your new tenant and your default tenant by using the directory switch in the toolbar. Now we can register the .NET Core web application we want to authenticate with this tenant. Click New Registration and give it a name. Keep the default settings and click Register. From the left-hand menu, select Authentication, then add a platform and select Web. Enter a temporary URL. These redirect URLs will be updated once we create the .NET Core application. Select the authorization tokens and click Configure. Select an owner for your app registration. Now we can configure our user authentication pages. From the left-hand menu, select User Flows, then New User Flow. For this example, I'm going to be using Sign Up and Sign In and Password Reset. Select Sign Up and Sign In and then click Create. Give your user flow a unique name and select Email Group. Now let's collect some claims values. These values will be collected during the user registration process. They will also be returned to your application via the token. Click Create when done. Click New User Flow again, and this time select Password Reset and click Create. Again, enter a unique name. Select Reset Password using email address and then simply click Create. Now that's completed, we can go ahead and create our .NET Core web application. Open Visual Studio and create a new project. Select a .NET Core web app and click Next. Give your project a name and then click Next. Change the authentication type and select Microsoft Identity Platform and click Create. On the required component screen, select Next. From the list, select your app registration and click Next. Click Next again, and then click Finish. Finally, close the dialog box. Your program startup is automatically configured, and your app settings JSON file is already populated with the relevant information. Now we can run the app. So let's register a new user. Enter a valid email address. Click Send Verification. Your code will be sent to the email address specified above. Enter your code and click Verify. Now enter and confirm your password. Enter the claims fields we configured earlier to complete your registration. You are now logged in and authenticated to your web app. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.